talking about the country of origin of scissors. This is a very important aspect of investing in a shear whenever you want to get a high quality tool. The number one thing that you need to make sure that you look out for whenever you are looking at shears, investing in a scissor, is the country of origin. Now, if you wanted to get the highest quality in a shear, the number one highest quality steel is going to be Japanese steel. Anybody that is reputable in the industry, that has had a career in the industry, knows that the number one country that makes shears for haircutting is going to be Japan. So whenever we look at these scissors, we need to make sure there is a lot of unregulated making of shears in the United States. So what that means is there is no regulations, there is no checks and balances when it comes to importing and creating a scissor line within the United States. So you gotta be careful on what you invest in, because there's a lot of fake stuff out there. So the main thing you need to do is make sure that there is an actual country of origin on the shear itself. If there is no country of origin on the product, then that's a big red flag when it comes to investing into an authentic Japanese-made scissor. So if you look at this scissor here, it does say, etched in the steel, made in Japan. Now, this is a Hikari. This is one of the oldest Japanese shear companies in the United States, over 50 years old. So this is a great example of a company that has made sure that they have let the consumer know that it is an authentic tool, as well as a badge of honor, because Japanese scissors are going to be the highest quality shears on the market when it comes to cutting hair. So if we look at any of these are 3 different companies themselves, and all 3 have the country of origin on the product.